Hi, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to share my thoughts on another RedMagic audio product that really surprised me, available on Aliexpress. The RedMagic DAO TWS are innovative 2-in-1 transparent gaming earphones, featuring a wireless charging stand and a dongle for seamless connection to other peripherals. The design is truly remarkable and can add a stunning touch to your setup. As you can see, the back of the stand features two key connections, a charging port and a slot for the dongle. This dongle allows you to connect to other devices and effortlessly switch audio sources. And because the stand is a wireless charger, each time we put the case it will start charging it. The case is quite large and includes a USB Type-C port, allowing you to charge it without the stand, as well as a pairing button for seamless connectivity. It has a battery capacity of 350 mAh, while each earbud is equipped with a 38 mAh battery, providing reliable power for extended use. The way we open the case, it is very satisfying by rotating it. The Cyberbuds DAO TWS by RedMagic deliver outstanding audio performance tailored for gamers, powered by Qualcomm S5 technology and 11mm drivers with a wallpaper diaphragm and LCP film for precise, high-resolution sound. They offer a rich and immersive listening experience. The earbuds feature customizable Active Noise Cancellation (ANC) up to 48 dB, ensuring clarity even in noisy environments, while supporting advanced codecs like SBC, AAC, LE Audio, aptX, and LHDC 5.0. With ultra-low latency of just 28 milliseconds, these earbuds are perfect for competitive gaming, offering spatial sound (DTS) for an enhanced, three-dimensional audio experience. The Cyberbuds DAO include a versatile dongle that enhances connectivity and performance, making them ideal for gamers seeking flexibility across devices. The dongle allows seamless pairing with PCs, Steam Deck, and smartphones, ensuring low-latency audio for an optimal gaming experience. Its integration with the charging stand adds convenience, allowing users to store and switch between devices effortlessly, making it a standout feature for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. If we hold the bass button for approx 3 seconds, we can create a light effect, and it is pretty awesome. By holding another 3 seconds, we can be selecting other light effects. Have you ever seen something like this? You can download the Goper app for extensive customization of the Cyberbuds DAO TWS. Once paired, the app allows you to monitor battery status, select your preferred audio profile, enable and adjust noise cancellation levels, and customize the RGB lighting, including its colors and intensity, and decide what action to perform when taping the earbud. While the app is available on the Play Store, it's highly recommended to use the Chinese version, as it allows you to upgrade the earbuds firmware to version 7.0. The app is fully in English, ensuring a user-friendly experience. For convenience, I'll include a link to the specific version in the video description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more information about the product, I've included a purchase link in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content on mobile gaming and tech reviews. See you in the next one.